సో హాయ్ అండి. ఈరోజు ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ థర్డ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ప్రూవ్ దట్ కొసీకన్ తీటా మైనస్ కాట్ తీటా హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 మైనస్ కాస్ తీటా బై 1 ప్లస్ కాస్ తీటా. So most of the problems we solve by taking LHS and we prove that it is equal to RHS. But for this question, one smart idea, let us take first to RHS. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Let us apply the method of rationalizing the denominator. Here there is no irrational, but we follow the technique. So multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos theta, which is obtained by changing the symbol between the terms of the denominator. So here we have 1 plus cos theta. So let us change the symbol. We get 1 minus cos theta, multiply numerator, denominator by 1 minus cos theta. Like 9th class we do rationalize the denominator technique. 1 minus cos theta numerator into 1 minus cos theta, denominator also by 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, you write 1 minus cos theta whole square. Actually it is same 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, both are same terms. When you multiply term itself 2 times, we can write in the short form like a whole square, because a into a square, x into x square. Here we get one doubt. So why don't you get idea to multiply 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta? Here in the required LHS, by we have taken RHS, we have to prove that it is equal to cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. So we need square here. So here we have the chance to get a square because both are same expressions. So when you multiply a term itself 2 times, we get simply we can write 1 minus cos theta whole square. Come to denominator, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, a plus b into a minus b. So it is equal to a square minus b square. So 1 square minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square same. Here some of you may get idea, let us apply a minus b whole square formula. No, because I need the square on the LHS. That's why I am not interested to use any formula. So 1 minus cos theta whole square by 1 square means 1 and minus cos square theta. Now I want to write a denominator also like a whole square, like numerator 1 minus cos theta whole square, but denominator has not whole square. So I wanted to write in terms of sign, because in my answer cosecant to cot, cosecant is nothing but 1 by sin, cot is nothing but cos by sin. So both are having denominator sign. So here I need sign. That's why by using identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So I need a relation for 1 minus cos square theta. Let us send cos square theta that side. So sin square theta is nothing but plus cos square theta becomes minus. So 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. So in the place of 1 minus cos square theta, you can write sin square theta now. Now it is 1 minus cos theta whole square, sin square theta. Now numerator has a square. Now denominator also has a square. You can take for numerator, denominator as a whole square. So 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now we can apply the denominator for the terms of numerator separately. 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. 1 by sin means inverse of sin. We have the name cosecant theta. Cos by sin means cot. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Finally we get RHS. So we started with RHS. We multiplied numerator denominator by 1 minus cos theta, and here 1 minus cos into 1 minus cos, 1 minus cos theta whole square, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Because we need square on LHS, that's why I could not get idea. So I didn't get idea to apply a minus b whole square formula. So it is a very important and very simple question also. I hope you understood. Let us discuss one more question. 1 plus sin theta. Prove that 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 secant theta. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. Let us do LCM. Cos theta of 1 plus sin theta, because whenever you have the confusion, so to get LCM or how to find out LCM of this such type of expressions, simple multiplication of both the denominators is the LCM. When the product of the denominators is LCM, To get the terms of numerator, just to do cross multiplication. So because here cos theta is here, so it divides our LCM by 1 plus sin theta times, which term was not there in it. So let's simple. When the product of denominators is the LCM, then do cross multiplication. 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Both are same expressions. X into x, x square. Y into y, y square, like that. 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta whole square by cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. 1 plus sin theta whole square. Addition is not possible. Take 1 as A, take sin theta as B, A plus B whole square formula. A square plus B square sin square theta, 2AB, 2 into 1 into sin theta, plus cos square theta and LCM cos theta of 1 plus sin theta. 1 square is nothing but 1 sin square theta, 2 ones are 2, 2 into sin theta, 2 sin theta, plus cos square theta by same denominator cos theta of 1 plus sin theta. Now 1 plus sin square theta, write cos square theta here and 2 sin theta by cos theta of 1 plus sin theta. So why you are rearrange, why did I rearrange the terms here? Actually 1 plus sin square theta, after that I wrote cos square theta. Why? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is an identity which gives always equal to 1. So 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta becomes 1 and plus 2 sin theta by cos theta of 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 sin theta by cos theta of 1 plus sin theta. Don't get idea to write 2 plus 2 sin theta 4 sin theta. They are not like terms. 2 is a number, 2 sin theta is a term, 2 sticked with the sign. How can I add? 2 of, can I take 2 as a common? I cannot add, no doubt, but I can take 2 as a common because before plus 2 is there, after plus 2 is there. If I take 2 as a common, what I get? So 2 divides 2 one time, because 2 is out, nothing is left. Sorry, here 1. Here 2 is out, here sin theta is left by cos theta of 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta, 1s are 1 plus sin theta. Finally, I got 2 by cos theta. You can write 2 by cos theta like 2 into 1 by cos theta, because 2 1s are 2 by cos theta, again we get 1 by cos. 1 by means inverse. Inverse of cos is 2 secant theta. That is our required RHS. So very simple question. Only we did doing LCM. Here you should get idea when you do LCM. When the denominators both together is a LCM, just do cross multiplication, write the terms in the numerator. Here 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, you should get idea to write 1 plus sin theta whole square. Cos theta into cos square. Later a plus b whole square formula. Later identity and taking 2 as a common. Finally we get the answer 2 secant theta. I hope you understood. So thank you. Let us discuss one more question in the next video.